Good morning guys, it's another day here in Bali and we are here at Bird House in Sanur area. And first time ko makapunta here kahit fourth visit ko na here in Bali. And I can say na ang ganda. We are dining here na parang glass yung window nila and then beach view. Sobrang relaxing and chill ng vibe. And later, pakita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng main restaurant. Kasi open lang siya for hotel guests at this hour because of the breakfast buffet. And nag-a la carte lang kami nung sister ko. So guys, ayun, ang sarap ng breakfast namin sa Bird House and nagpunta kami here sa Icon Bali. Parang ito yata yung latest and newest mall nila here and medyo malaki siya, may mga high-end stores and marami ring dining options dito. May nakita kaming magagandang restaurants doon sa beach side as you saw rin earlier. So ayun, and nag-ikot-ikot lang kami and aalis na rin kami here to transfer to Uluwatu area. So guys, ayun, sobrang ganda kanina sa Tana Barrack Cliff. Very IG worthy. Ang dami lang tourists. So kailangan yung humanap ng spot na hindi masyadong matao. Lakad lang kayo further like yung ginawa namin kanina. So ayun, very sulit yung minimal na entrance fee para dun sa shuttle and para dun sa Pandawa Beach. And also you can explore Pandawa Beach after nyo magpunta dun sa cliff side. So ayun, nag-coffee break muna kami here at Arabica Uluwatu. So guys, we made it here sa Le Cliff Cafe. Kahit medyo challenging and super nakakagard yung pababa. Para kayong bumaba ng 4 to 5 floors by stairs and aakyat ulit kami by that same method. So good luck na lang later. So ayun, nag-order lang kami ng something very cold to drink kasi sobrang init as you can see. Pero fresh pa rin tayo, of course. So ayun, I will see you later guys. Oh my God, guys. Sobrang nakakahingal yung stairs. Paakyat from Leckleaf Cafe. So I'm warning you. It's not for the faint-hearted. Charot. Pero ayun, dapat may physical workout kayo before kayo mag-try here. Dahil nakakapagod siya. As in. Ayan guys, yung inakyat natin. So, naglakad tayo mula dun. Oh. Grabe. Pangalan niya Dreamsy. Pero yung akyatin niyo sa hirap. Nightmare. Charot. Good evening guys. So ayun, nakabalik na kami from Uluwatu kanina pa. Pero nag-freshen up lang kami sa room and then nag-take out na lang ako ng dinner from our favorite warung or yung parang what do you call it? Karinderya nila here in Bali. So ayan, papakita ko sa inyo later kung ano yung mga binili ko. And by the way, habang naglalakad ako sa kalsada, may nag-stop sa akin. Napagkamalan akong vlogger from Jakarta. Nakakaloka si ate, pero ayun, mabait siya. So guys, ayun, sobrang bango ng food. Ayun, pag nag-seminar kayo, try nyo dun sa warung na yun, katabi ng Bali Mystic Hotel. And ayun, kakain na kami ng satay and nasi goreng. And good night na rin for now and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye guys!